Now, say in this example, a slit 4 centimeter wide is irradiated with the microwaves of wavelength 2 centimeter. So, the wavelength is given to you, that is here 2 centimeter. It can be written 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Now, find the angular spread, and the slit is this also, that is A is equal to, that is a slit width, it is given to us 4 centimeter, that is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Now, find the angular spread of central maximum, assuming incidence normal to the plane of the slits. So, you know that this is the central maximum is formed in this way, we have to calculate this width. So, we know it, that is angular width, that is 2 theta is equal to twice of lambda by A. So, that is twice of 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So, these will get cancelled. So, that is a radian here. So, that is 1 radian. So, angular width of the central maximum in the diffraction pattern is here 1 radian.